In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello cards together. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone looking to streamline project management, link related tasks, and ensure all relevant information is easily accessible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Trello. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to do so by selecting your preferred login method, whether that's through email, Google, or any other account you've previously connected with Trello. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific Trello board where you need to connect your cards. If you have multiple boards, you can locate the desired one by checking the options on your homepage. Now let's identify the cards you need to link. It's important to have a clear idea of which tasks or pieces of information are relevant to each other to make the linking process as effective as possible. Go ahead and open the first card that you want to link from. Once this card is open, look for the Add to Card menu. Within this menu, you're going to click on Attachments. This is where you can add not just files or links from your computer or cloud storage, but also other cards within Trello. Next, select Trello from the options provided. This will allow you to connect another card within the same platform. Here, you have two choices. You can either search for the card you want to attach by typing its name into the search bar, or if you already have the URL of the card, you can paste it directly into this field. After finding and selecting the card, you'll notice an option that says Connect Cards. By clicking this option, you ensure that the link between these two cards is bidirectional, meaning both cards will reference each other. This is particularly useful if you need to maintain a strong connection between related tasks or projects. If you prefer a simpler method or need an alternative, there's another way to connect your Trello cards. Start by opening the first card and copying its unique URL from the Share and More area located at the bottom of the card. Once you have this URL, navigate to the card you'd like to link it with. In the description section of this second card, paste the URL you